Write a letter to your best friend telling him about your school. Roll number 22, house number 11, New Delhi, 20 April 2020. Dear Karan, how are you? आप कैसे हैं? I have not heard from you for a long time. हमारी लंबे अरसे से बात नहीं हुई है. I hope you are studying well for your exams. I have joined a new school from last month. It is very close to my house. ये मेरे घर के बहुत नज़दीक है. The name of my school is Orange Public School. मेरे स्कूल का नाम Orange Public School है. It is a boys' school. It is bigger than my other schools. We have 2 football fields and 3 basketball courts. The library has many interesting books for us to read. We also have a gym. My gym instructor is very good in what he does. He teaches us well. वो बहुत हमें अच्छे से सिखाता है. My class teacher is very kind and gentle. I am so happy that I have joined this school. I hope that you can visit me here one day. I would be proud to show you around. Till then, take care, your best friend Anil. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.